Welcome to the 6th grade math second 6 weeks curriculum check. Please watch this video in order to receive your oral administration. Feel free to pause and rewind as many times as you need in order to listen to a problem. Number 1. Overnight, the temperature drops at a rate of 3% per hour. How long will it take for the temperature to drop 18 degrees? A. 5 hours. B. 6 hours. C. 7 hours. D. 9 hours. Number 2. 3 coworkers split 5 cookies evenly among themselves. The amount of cookies each person receives is equal to the expression below. 1 plus 2 divided by 3. Which of the following is equal to this expression? F. 12/3. G. 3/5. H. 3/3. J. 5/3. Number 3. Mary sees 10 ravens and 5 blackbirds in a tree. Which of the following best compares the number of ravens and blackbirds in the tree? A. The ratio of ravens to blackbirds in the tree is 2 to 1 because there are twice as many ravens as blackbirds in the tree. B. The ratio of ravens to blackbirds in the tree is 3 to 2 because of every 3 birds in the tree, 2 are not blackbirds. C. The ratio of ravens to blackbirds in the tree is 2 to 3 because 2 of every 3 birds in the tree are ravens. D. The ratio of ravens to blackbirds in the tree is 1 to 2 because for every raven in the tree, there are 2 blackbirds in the tree. Number 4. Todd traced blocks to make a design. His design showed a ratio of white trapezoids to total trapezoids of 4 to 5. Which set of shapes represents Todd's design? F. White trapezoid, white trapezoid, white trapezoid, white trapezoid. Gray trapezoid, gray trapezoid, gray trapezoid, gray trapezoid, gray trapezoid. G. Gray trapezoid, gray trapezoid, gray trapezoid, white trapezoid, gray trapezoid. H. White trapezoid, white trapezoid, white trapezoid, right trapezoid, right trapezoid. Gray trapezoid, gray trapezoid, gray trapezoid, gray trapezoid. J. White trapezoid, white trapezoid, gray trapezoid, white trapezoid, white trapezoid. Number 5. Haley saves $2 out of every $5 that she makes babysitting. If Haley saved $10, how much did she make babysitting? A. $4. B. $20. C. $25. D. $50. Number 6. A group of hikers are at an altitude of 250 feet above sea level. Base camp is located directly below the hikers at 100 feet below sea level. How far away from camp are the hikers? F. 100 feet. G. 150 feet. H. 250 feet. J. 350 feet. Number 7. In a phone poll, 5/12 of the respondents said they planned to vote for candidate Harrison in the upcoming election. If 5,040 people participated in the poll, how many people said they planned to vote for candidate Harrison? A. 1,210. B. 1,800. C. 2,100. D. 2,450. Number 8. Janessa bought flowers for her mother. Daisies were 5 for $12. Roses were 6 for $24. Carnations were 12 for $20. And lilacs were 3 for $16. Which flowers cost $2.40 per flower? F. Roses. G. Lilacs. H. Daisies. J. Carnations. Number 9. While on vacation, the Garner family paid $120 for 3 tickets to a water park. How much money would they have spent on 5 tickets? A. $150. B. $200. C. $240. D. $360. Number 10. Which of these expressions is equal to 81 divided by 3? F. 81 times 1/3. G. 3 divided by 1 over 81. H. 81 divided by 1/3. J. 3 times 1 over 81. Number 11. Which of these fractions divided by 2/10 results in 5/8? A. 1/8. B. 8/25. C. 4/5. D. 25/8. Number 12. During a football game, the Warriors lost 11 yards on one play. On the next play, the team gained 7 yards. How many total yards were gained after both plays? F. -18. G. -4. H. 7. J. 19. Number 13. Which of these is the same as negative times negative times negative times -14? A. -14. B. -1/14. C. 1/14. D. 14. Number 14. Which number line represents the expression -8 minus -2? -8 changed to -10. -8 changed to -6. -8 changed to -4. -8 changed to -2. Number 15. Which of these is the opposite of negative 1/7? A. Negative times negative times negative times negative 1/7. B. 7. C. Negative 7. D. Negative 1/7. Number 16. Maria got twice as many questions correct on her test as she got incorrect. Which shows the ratio of the number of questions Maria got correct to incorrect? F. 10 to 20. G. 8 to 12. H. 16 to 8. J. 3 to 2. Number 17. Ariel created a bracelet using square beads and round beads. The ratio of square beads to round beads is 3 to 2. Which illustration represents the ratio of square beads to round beads? A. Round, 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 square, square. B. Square, square, round, round, round. C. Square, 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 round, round. D. Round, 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 square, 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 square. Number 18. Alexandra was at the pet store purchasing dog food. She compared the prices of 3 different sized bags of food. The small bag cost $13.99 for 6 pounds. The medium bag cost $29.99 for 18 pounds. And the large bag cost $43.99 for 35 pounds. Which bag of dog food cost $2.33 per pound? F. Small bag. G. Medium bag. H. Large bag. J. None of these. You have reached the end of your test. Please rewind this video and listen to it as many times as necessary. Once you have completed your test, enter your answers into DMAT and turn in all of your test papers to your teacher.